Hey there everyone, welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. So in this video, I will show you how to make rolling end credits title in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First of all, let me just go to the text and then drag the text into my timeline like this, drag it up, and then as you can see, we got the default text. So we need to replace this as the credits. So let's just go back, and as you can see, we have a document file over here which contains the credits. So let's just press Ctrl plus A to select all this, and then Ctrl plus C to copy this text. You can also simply just right click on your mouse and copy the text from here. All right, then go to the CapCut again and select the default text and right click and paste it like this. All right, after that you need to select the text, like select it right here. Then from here you will see the font size. Let's just make it more smaller. So all right, little bit smaller. As you can see, the 7 looks perfect. So you can simply then go with the font, but I am okay with the default font, so I won't do anything into the default font. Then what you need to do is to make sure that this bar is into your first frame. Okay, just drag it on to the first frame and then scroll it down until you find the option called position. Then tap on the add keyframe icon here on this, just tap on that. And then again, if you want this credit show to the screen like 10 seconds or 20 seconds, so you need to first make sure that it fits to the 10 seconds. So as you can see, this video is 3 seconds long, so let's make it like 10 seconds. So how we can do that is very simple. Move your cursor like this and drag it on like now. As you can see, we got the 10 seconds video. So after drag it on, you can simply just move your mouse to the first place and then select this. And as we have selected the keyframes for the first frame, we will do the same thing for the last frame. So drag it your bar like this, and again tap on the position keyframe, just tap on that and it will add a keyframe. So let's just go to the first keyframe and then hold the shift key on your keyboard, just hold it on and then drag it down like this. Okay, then for the last keyframe, go again into the last. Then what you can simply do, let's drag it up more, drag it up more until this disappears like this. So if we just go to the first place, let's just play this. This looks already fine, guys. Okay, so if you just want to make it more smoother, what you can do is simply go with the modify option right over here. So first thing, you need to click on the gray area into your timeline to unselect the text. Then you will see the modify option right over here. So tap on the modify, then tap on the frame rate and make it 60 fps to make it more smoother. Then save it. So it will take some time to change the frame rate. So let's just again play the video. And as you can see, this looks more smooth than ever. So I think this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.